Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner. Today I'm going to show you a very impressive results how you can sell big ticket size products on Walmart through your dropshipping. So let's start. Friends, as you can see, this is one of our customers selling both small ticket size and big ticket size, both type of items. You can see we sold $815 items, a single items, only one quantity. You can see $115, $208, $267, $127, and we have thousands of proof like this. You can sell. You can see $400, $200, $142, $139, $198, $195, $163, $224, $348, $139, $471, $597. Amazing results. You can see, guys, $267. So you can assume how much profit this seller getting right now selling our products on Walmart and other marketplaces. You can also generate profit like this from a single orders. You can generate $50 to $100. So what are you waiting for, friends? Let's join your journey with EcomCorner. So friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new in our videos, and let's more powerful coming soon regarding other things, so please stay tuned. If you would like to connect with us on WhatsApp for instant chat, please ping us at 8756919495. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, also subscribe the channel. Thank you.